What's going on, people? We're live right now. I'm on Bitcoin chart. I'm waiting for people to come in. So let's get it. What's going on, James? You're the first one in the building. I'm just waiting for people to come in, so just give me a second. What's going on? What's going on, Lars? What's going on, Fat Guy Channel? What's going on, guys? I'm just waiting for more people to come in. Sean, what's going on? What's going on, people? Troy, what's up, man? Hey, what's going on, Cupcake? Good to see you here. I'm just waiting for more people to come in. And that's it, pretty much. So before I start, if you're new to my channel, what's going on, Luke? What's going on, Eric? Luke said he needs some good news. Good news in what way? What do you mean, Luke? Good news in what way? I'm in Eastern time. Yeah, I'm in United States Eastern time. So what good news you need, Luke? Please let me know. So anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, I am a professional day trader and investor. My name is Big Ben, and basically what I do is I specialize in the charts, and I read the charts, and I do this full time, Monday through Friday, and I just pretty much let my subscribers know that they can actually do this too if they study and if they are dedicated. They can actually know how to read the charts and make money, because with me, that's what I do. The charts just basically literally changed my life, because I can actually open up my laptop, go on my laptop, trade, and make money. So my channel is deeper than crypto. I definitely want you guys to get to that level. So right now you're looking at BTC. It looks like is continuing to go down, and most likely we're going to hit these lows right here. So let's go to the chat. Oh, Luke said, Luke, you said you want a bottom when the bounce. You said happy days. I'm filing the bag. I'm filling the bag on this dip. I'm all ears, brother. Learning each day. Thanks for invite. Well, Luke, I don't know if you have been looking at my other streams, but Luke, right now I'm teaching my subscribers how to profit from this down move. So Luke, I mean, honestly, I don't care about any good news right now, because what I'm doing right now is making money on the downside, because I believe Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market will continue to go down. It's not because I'm a bear and I don't believe in crypto. I believe in crypto. I'm holding crypto just like you, Luke. But the difference between me is I'm not going to sit here and watch, you know, my portfolio continue to go down. As a professional, we have to know how to trade when the market is going up and when the market is going down. So Luke, have you been watching my streams? You can actually make money. Oh, Luke, so this is your first time? Okay. All right, no problem. So in my channel, on my channel, I basically show people, listen, you don't have to wait for the bottom, because right now we don't know when the bottom is going to come in. So the bottom can actually, you know, be another 2 to 3 years from now. So why wait? And this is what I'm trying to tell people. Why wait? You can actually make money now. Hey, what's going on, Travis? What's going on, Dom? What's going on? What's going on, Jason? Let me see. Cedric, truck and drive. You said truck and trader. Okay. So I'm looking at I'm sorry, I'm looking at this thing. So Lit said with Ben's course, no joke. I hope to see the 1, 2, 3. He's talking about wait. So you're looking to get in a trade? He said Ben changed my life, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Okay, so I'm reading the comments, guys, so just bear with me. Elvis, in cash, dirt cheap. Elvis, is this your first time on the stream? Because right now, everything is dirt cheap. But the way I'm looking at this market is I'm not looking to buy nothing right now. Because I believe the market will continue to go down. And the reasons I talked about, on my last streams is these 5 reasons right here. But the main 2 reasons is number 1 and number 2. We are in a bear market. And if you know anything about a bear market, you know that bear markets just don't reverse just like that. See, a lot of people think that Bitcoin was actually creating a triple bottom. 1, 2, and 3, and next thing you know, the market shot down, and it looks like we're going to test this low right here, right? But we are in a bear market, so if you know anything about bear markets, it doesn't just reverse just like that and start going up. It takes time to reverse, right? It just don't go. Buyers just don't step in, and next thing you know, it's a bull market. It takes time. So this whole year could be a bear market. Most likely will be a bear market this whole year. And then another year, we could be in a bear market for 2 years or even more. So because I showed you yesterday that the last crash we had with BTC, the last crash was in 2013. I showed you yesterday. And it took 2 years to actually recover. So if it took 2 years in 2013, why you don't think it actually could do the same thing this year? So instead of waiting for the bottom and waiting for the market to do reverse and go bullish, because the market, like I said, the market just doesn't just reverse just like that. It takes its time. So instead of waiting and being depressed and whatever the case is, you can actually make money right now. And my other reason is we have a lot of scam coins. A lot of people are getting scammed. The ICOs, a lot of these ICOs are scams. So the market, in my opinion, in order to wipe these guys out, the market has to continue to go back down. That's the only way those coins would is going to disappear. That's the only way. There's no other way. So if let's say the market reversed from here, right? Let's say buyers come in and the next thing you know, we start to make new highs. Those scam coins will still survive because the market is going up. We're in a bull market. But we have to make those coins disappear. They're hurting the market. These bad altcoins are hurting the market. So for the people that's joining my chat for the first time, I'm not looking for a bottom. I'm not looking for a triple bottom. I'm not looking to buy anything. I know, trust me, I know that if I go to XRP, let's go to XRP real quick. XRP, I know XRP is at 55 cents. I know that's cheap. I know. But I believe the market will continue to go down. So I don't care right now if coins are cheap. That's not how I play the market. How I play the market is, okay, you know what? The big dogs are in control. The market is going down. I'm going along with them. I'm going to make money going along with them, because that's how you actually make the real money. Because think about it for a second, right? Let's say that I decided to disregard this bull trend, right? The bull trend that we had this year. Let's say I just disregard this whole bull trend that we had this year. And I said, you know what, man, forget, I hate cryptocurrencies. I'm going to short it, right? Let's say I hated cryptocurrencies and I said I'm going to short every time. So we have a bull market and I'm shorting. Next thing you know, we creating new highs. I'm shorting. Look how much money I'm losing. I'm shorting. I'm losing all this money just because I'm doing things based on a belief, not the reality. The reality is the market is going up. That's the reality, right? But my beliefs, right? I'm saying, okay, I hate cryptocurrency, so I'm gonna short it, and that's not, my beliefs are not aligned with reality. So when your beliefs are not aligned with reality in the market, you will lose money. So imagine if someone just kept shorting BTC. You know how much money they will lose? So this is the same thing that's what's going on right now, but it's the opposite. So let's say that you kept buying right here. You kept buying, and next thing you know, you see your money just disappearing, because right now we are in a bear market, and this thing could continue to go down further. So you have to understand how to read the charts, right? Understand how to read the charts. We are making lower lows. We are below the moving average. So once you understand how to read the charts, then you won't go against the major trend, because when you go against the major trend, that's when you lose a lot of money. So with me, since I'm a professional trader, right, and an investor, I go along with the trend because I have to make money every single year. A professional trader, he has to make money every single year. So if you just only know how to buy, how can you pay your mortgage when the market is going down like this, right? How can you pay your mortgage? How can you pay your bills? If you do this full time, how can you do this? You can't. It's impossible. It's impossible for a full-time investor to pay bills while the market is going down, because their portfolio is going down. So they have to have multiple strategies, right? And one of their strategies is basically going short when the market is in a bear market. So right now, as we speak, I'm not looking for no buys. I believe the market will continue to go down. Right now, we have another red day. I believe most likely this whole week will be a red week. And most likely, we will crack this low. Now, you have to understand, when we crack this low, buyers might come in. It's not 100%, but buyers might come in. Now, let's say that buyers don't come in and we just crack this and then start selling off like crazy. Then that's definitely a bad sign. But usually when it breaks something like this, a very important level, buyers might step in. So what's going to happen is, if buyers step in, we might get another push up to the upside, to fool some more people thinking that, okay, this is a triple bottom, or whatever you want to call quadruple bottom. And then next thing you know, we're going to reverse and go back. This is how the market works. And once you know how to read the market, they won't be able to take your money, because the market is designed to take your money, right? And once you know how to read the market, then you can actually go along with the big dogs that's basically taking everybody's money. So let's go to the chat room and see what's going on. Eric said, you did good today with BTC. Yes, man. Yep. That won't go. Balau, that won't go lower than 59. Can you explain why? What's going on, Cal? He said hi. What's going on? Likely bottom when about good crypto news. Crypto is cheap right now. David, you said crypto is cheap right now. So David, are you buying? Let me know, David. Are you buying? Because you're saying crypto is cheap right now. Buy it up. Are you buying? I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. So Sean said, I opened a demo account. Okay, so listen, guys. Sean just got my course. No, well, he got my course, I think, yesterday, right? He said he opened up a demo account. Of course, it's a demo account because you have to practice, of course. But he said he opened up a demo account at JabFacts, right? After going through my course. And he said he made 30K today on a demo account in 2 hours, right? So that's by using my system in the course. He said he can't wait to apply it with the live account because right now he's waiting for them to accept his live account. So the stuff I'm telling you guys is real. David, listen to Ben. He's one of the best YouTube for crypto. Thanks a lot, man. Decentralized. Ben, today one candle showed me a short. He said one candle showed me a signal to short at 6,800. Learn from your course. Thanks a lot. See, a lot of people's learning from my course. Big Ben, can you sign me an autograph? Of course, man. If you want to, I'll sign you an autograph. Aaron, first time on the stream. Hope to learn. Of course, Aaron. Thanks a lot for coming through. You don't think more mainstream attention would decrease bear market time? Oh, that's what you said. You said okay. So James asked, do you think more mainstream attention would decrease bear market time? No, because right now we don't have mainstream attention anyway. If you go, this is one of my reasons why I believe cryptocurrencies will continue. It's number 5. If you go to Google Trends and you type in cryptocurrencies, nobody's looking at cryptocurrencies. Nobody's even searching for crypto. So it's very hard to convince them, mainstream to actually come in while the market is going down. Okay, so let's continue to Singh said made $700 today. What a call in the bear market. It's gains. See, these guys is making money, guys. I think Singh got my course the other day. Eric, short BTC. Oh man, these guys, man. Listen, I'm glad to see people is actually benefiting. Love Tron, but it's taking a dump. Of course, every coin is taking a dump. Javier says, thanks Ben for keeping it real. Of course, I have to. That's all I know. That's all I know how to do. Because most people, your favorite YouTuber right now, all he knows how to do is to say, don't worry guys, just hold and everything will be okay. I'm saying, man, forget about everything is going to be okay because we don't have time. You know, time is very valuable. Like, you can't get time back. So instead of waiting 2 to 3 years for the bull market, right? You can make money now. Look what the other guys is talking about. I'm reading the chat, guys. I'm reading the chat room. So, oh boy, I'm reading the chats. Let's see what's going on within the year. Travis, I feel appreciation again on a live stream. He said, Travis said, I'm not even through the whole course, but I have learned a lot, not by losing money in the last few days. Thanks a lot, Travis. So PP says, Big Ben, can you link your course for trading? Okay, I will. PP. Just give me a second. Let me read these comments real quick. So I'm trying to say your name right, but I'm gonna say M. You said, "Hey Ben, still selling your course for a discount?" Yes. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, please. I'm reading through these comments. So PPC, why do you say 2 to 3 years for a bull run? Because actually, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you right now, and then I'm gonna give you guys the link to the course. So let me show you right now. I'll show you right now. So basically he's asking me why I say three years for BTC. I'm gonna show you right now. Because last year, not last year, 2013, that's why you have to understand how to like you understand. I study the charts day in and day out. So this is what I do. So I'm always looking at the charts, always. So in 2013, we had a crash in Bitcoin. Bitcoin crashed in 2013. So it went all the way down, right? And we started to go sideways right here. And then when it finally started to go up, it was basically 2 years from there. So this high right here was 2013 in November, right? And when the market popped up, and started to actually make a bull run, is actually in 2015 in November. So that's 2 years. 2 years before the market decided to go right back up. Now, listen to this. Listen to this. This crash was in 2013, right? And the high of this was 11,000. Now, when we hit 11,000, it took 5 years to hit 11,000. Because right now, this 11,000 was in 2017. So just to get to the high, just to get to break even, we had to at least, Bitcoin had to go down and go sideways for at least 5 years. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. You have to understand. You have to understand how the market works. The market doesn't go up forever, all the time. We have these cycles where the bear market can last for 2 to 3 years, easy. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. I'm talking to you because you have to understand. I'm doing this right without the knowledge that I'm giving you is 10 years plus. So I'm not just talking. So when the market is going down, this is 2013, and this is an unregulated market right here. Now you're talking about the government trying to come in and regulate the market. So we don't even know how long the market will recover. So you have to ask yourself, are you willing to wait another 2 to 3 years before the bull run come, right? And right now, what we seeing is the market looks like it's trying to go down even more. So I'm trying to open your guys' eyes up and just trying to hopefully you can actually see what's going on. So hold on, guys, for a second, because for some reason I had to question. I'm gonna read these comments, but I'm gonna definitely go. Guys, can you hear me? Can you hear the audio good? Let me know if you can hear the audio good. Okay, the audio is good. Okay, cool. All right. So the guys that's asking me about the product, right? Because on my live stream, what I do is I give a 50% discount, right? So if you are on this live stream today, you will get a 50% discount. Now, when the live stream ends, an hour from now, this will go right back to 210. So let's get that. And the reason why you want to get this course is because it shows you how to make money when the market's going up and down. So it's recession proof. So you don't have to be depressed when you see Bitcoin going down right here. You don't have to be depressed. I'm showing you how you can actually make money now. And this is the only crypto course on the market right now that's showing you how to make money when the market's going up or down. So you definitely want to get that. I'm gonna do the 50% discount, right? And guys, you have to understand that when I don't have a lot of subscribers like that, right? So I don't have no sponsors. I'm gonna put the link in the description right now. I don't have no sponsors. I'm sponsoring myself, right? So when I come on here and ask for you guys' support, it's because I need some type of motivation to continue to do this stuff, right? Your favorite YouTuber is making a lot of money from his ads because he has a lot of views. He's making money from the affiliate programs that he pushed on you. He's making money from the ICOs he reviews. Trust me, I can go the ICO route if you want me to, but I don't want to. Because 99% of those ICOs are garbage. So why would I want to burn my subscribers? I don't want to do that. I'd rather give you guys a quality product that will help you put money in your pocket. And trust me, I can probably make way more money reviewing ICOs because some of these guys get paid $2K all the way up to $5K when they review an ICO. But I'd rather leave money on the table because I know that 99% of those ICOs are garbage. So when I come on here and ask you guys to, support the channel, it's because you have to understand that YouTubers, and like I said, I don't judge those YouTubers that's pushing those ICOs or affiliate products because I understand that they want to get paid for their time, right? And you have to understand that name one person that doesn't get paid for his time. Everybody get paid for his time. If Donald Trump goes to an event to speak, he's getting paid for his time. And the content that I produce, everything, a lot goes into it. So you have to understand that YouTubers, they want to get paid for their time, but you have to understand that everybody gets paid for their time. Tell me, name one person that doesn't get paid for his time, right? So, with me, I said I'd rather give you guys a quality product, so it could be a win-win situation. So when I'm not ashamed, about asking you guys for support, because number one, I know I have a quality product that can actually help you put money in your pocket, right? And I gave you live examples showing you how to make money. And you see the people that bought my course, they telling you, hey man, Ben course is the truth. So it's not just me talking, right? Now you see right here, this trade that I took, I told you on Thursday, right? We couldn't make a higher high right here, enter right here, right? And I told you Thursday, listen, I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand on BTC. I didn't think I was going to get the profit right away. I thought I probably had to wait because, BTC was going slow. So I thought I had to wait maybe to the end of June or something like that. But next thing you know, the market starts selling off like crazy. So right now, I already have my 10K. I'm waiting for the extra 5 because the only reason why I'm still holding this thing is because I believe that it will break this low, right? But if this was another trade, I would have been out already, I would have been out because when you get the course, you'll see. I teach you, listen, don't try to be too greedy, just in and out. So if this was a regular trade, I would have been out already. But the only reason why I'm holding this trade is because I believe that we can actually break the low. So my 10K is locked in already, right? So I'm showing you stuff way before it happens. And number two, the reason why I'm not ashamed to, basically ask you guys for support is because I don't really have to be on YouTube to do this, The reason why I'm doing this because if you know about anything about investing, it's a lonely business. It's a lonely business, And I love you guys. I love talking to you guys. I love showing you guys, how the chart works and all that stuff. I can easily sell this course for $300, $400, $500. So, when it comes to this, and I know most of you guys understand what I'm talking about, but it's a small percentage don't understand about what I'm talking about, and it is the people that it's usually the people that need it the most that doesn't understand. It's usually the people that doesn't need it the most. They need the product the most because they are stuck at a certain level. So when I ask you guys for support, it's just me saying that I want to do it a different way. I don't want to push ICOs on you. I'd rather give you a quality product that's going to put money in your pocket. And I told you guys, I'm very transparent. This last month, I made $266 from the YouTube. If you divide that by $30, that's only $8 a day. Guys, do you expect someone that has 10 years of experience to come on YouTube for $8 a day? Come on. So I know most of you guys get it, and that's why I thank you guys for your support. But it's a small percentage that just they don't get it, and those are the people that need it the most. So guys, I thank you for your support. I thank everybody's for your support. So if you want to get this, it's $110 when this thing goes off, which is I don't know when, but an hour from whenever the stream goes off. Basically, I will raise the price back up to the original price. So that's it for that. Let's continue to talk about the market. Let me go back to the chat room now. Okay, so let's go back. Rafis says your course is fantastic so far. Thanks, Ben. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Actually, thanks for your support, man. And this is what I'm talking about. I'd rather people talk from, for me, and rather than me talking, for myself. But I appreciate everybody for the help. I'm right now. I'm reading these comments. So guys, give me a second. I'm reading comments. I'm trying to figure out what you guys are saying in the comment box. Eric said, I made a bad move today since I am new to MT4. Eric, tell me what bad move you made. And Eric, don't worry about mistakes, because mistakes is just part of the game. So I'm hoping it was on a demo account, Eric. Okay, so I'm going through these comments. Travis B, I feel I showed my appreciation again on the live stream. Of course. Thanks a lot, Travis. Let's see. I believe that if BTC breaks the 6,000 mark, it will go down to 52 or 48,000. Yes. See, my first stop, Sean, my first stop is 4,400. And notice that I say first stop. I believe we have multiple stops. But best believe, you have to understand, once it breaks this low, it might not just break it like crazy. It could, but it might break it, and then you might see a lot of buyers come in. But don't get fooled by that, because buyers might come in and then the price will go right back down. So let's continue to read these comments. Just got enough for it. Okay, thanks a lot, Taviv. I believe I'm saying your name right. Okay, Massimo. Hello, Ben. I bought your course yesterday, but I haven't gotten the chance to look at it. Please look at it. It will blow your mind. Let's keep on reading this. Yes, Randy. Randy says, hook me up with some likes. Yes, hook me up with some likes. Hey, Big Ben. Great course. Thank you for the heads up. Oh, thanks a lot. Actually, thank you for your support. How can I get your course on my iPhone? I bought it, but I can't download it on my iPhone. Moex, email me. You had to get WinRAR to open it. So email me if you don't know how to do that. Okay. So 911 Speed says, out of 6,000 plus 600 plus altcoins, what's the percentage do you think will get removed? Probably more than 50%. Probably 70. Probably 70. Probably 60 to 70. 80. Most are scams, of course. You're right, Sean. Most all these altcoins are scams. That's why the market has to continue to bleed like this, to squeeze these guys out. Because if the market doesn't bleed, these guys survive. In order to make these guys disappear, the market has to bleed. Let me continue to read these comments. PP, thank you for your information. You're the best. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate your, your support. Question: is market manipulation big whales, bunch of regular Joes controlling the market? Ask BC. Okay, so Jamie said, is market manipulation big whales or a bunch of regular Joes controlling the market? Okay, so Jamie, pretty much it's the big whales that's controlling the market. I like to call them the rich. The rich is controlling the market, and yes, you said BTC, Ethereum, everybody goes up and down at the same exact time. Of course. And this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. This stuff that you see, the market is controlled. You have to understand it's controlled. So when I say it's controlled, somebody knows the top, somebody knows the bottom. It's scary, but it's true. And this is why you have to understand how to read the charts, because if you don't, they will take your money, because the market is designed to take your money. That's why I told you guys that this triple bottom and this triangle thing that most people was talking about, it's too obvious. That's why it's not going to work, because it's too obvious. If you know anything about the market and anything about the bear market loves to play with your emotions, because the bear market knows, or the rich knows, that people love to try to pick the bottoms and the tops. So they try to create the illusion that, you know, oh man, triple bottom, and then people get wiped out. So the market is designed to actually take your money. So yes, the reason why BTC, Litecoin, Ethereum, they all move the same, is because it's controlled. Okay, so laws, yes. Ben, today I made a mistake. When BTC would start plunging, I thought that I had a sell order, but it was a buy order. Okay, lost a few hundred. Was Eric, was that play money or real money? You said you put a buy order instead of a sell order. Was that play money or real money, Eric? Luke says, FYI, Ben, I'm getting your course. Respect. Thanks a lot for your support, Luke. I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it, because you definitely are one of the guys that get it. I'm reading the comments, guys, so give me a second. I'm fake Faz says, Ben, can you explain how I'm shorting? I'm not shorting on Binance. On JackFax, I'm shorting on. When you get the course, you'll see the website. Yeah, Ben, gotta do this. It's priceless. You can't short on Binance. Of course, I'm not shorting on Binance. JackFax. When you open the account, you can fund it with $50. But of course, most likely you want to fund it more than that. And if you are a U.S., if you live in the United States, you can still sign up. Sean said BitMax is not available for. Yes, we don't use. If you're in the U.S., you can't use BitMax unless you use. We call those things. I think we call it VPN or something like that. But we using JackFax, and if you are living in the United States, you can use it to short. Okay, so Sean says it's all speculation, bro. Who knows? It can turn around next week, next month, next year. Could Japan be? Okay, so Sean, are you new to my channel? Of course, everything is speculation, but are you new to my channel? Because you have to understand that I do this full time. So you can call it you could call it. I don't care what word you call it. Speculation, gambling. I don't care what you call it. When you understand how to read the charts, and once you start to understand that patterns repeat themselves over and over and over again, and once you understand that the market trends, right? And once you can understand that you want to be on the same side of the market, if the market is going up, you want to be on that side, right? If the market is going down, you want to be on that side. So you have to understand that when you are playing or going with the trend, the odds are on your side. So you can call it whatever you want to call it. You know why I call it? I call it making money. That's what I call it. I do this full time. I call it making money. I don't care what you call it, because I told you guys on Thursday, listen, if I take a loss on this, I don't care. Let me show you something real quick, because who was that? Like I said, he must be new to my channel. Sean, you must be new to my channel. Sean, let me show you something real quick. Right now, this trade is a 6-to-1 trade right now. Right? So risking 2,000, right? Let's say I took a loss on that trade at first. Right? So that I'm negative 2,000. Matter of fact, let's say I tried. I'm gonna actually make this even more exciting, right? Let's say I tried to short BTC twice and I lost, right? So let's say I took 2 trades and I tried to short BTC twice. So that's 2 trades. So that means that if I'm risking, you know, basically 2,000 each trade, that means I'm down 4,000, right? But check this out, Sean. This trade right here is a 6-to-1 trade. So let's say my next trade is that trade right here. You know what a 6-to-1 means? It means that you 6 times your money. So 2,000. And I'm showing you guys this because most of you guys you can't really understand what I'm trying to say, because you're so used to looking at junk on YouTube. And I'm trying to tell you how a professional investor can actually make a living, right? So Sean, check this out. 2,000 times 6, right? Times 6. You do the math, Sean. That's 12 G's, right? So remember, the original, I lost 4 G's, remember? And this is an example. I didn't lose for it, but this is an example, right? Okay, so what we do now is you take the 12 and you minus it by 4. And guess what, Sean? Do the math, Sean. How much is that? That's 8 G's, right? If I'm correct. 8 G's. So this is how a professional makes his money, right? In school, what is -2 minus 1, right? That means that if you lost twice and you won 1 time, that means that you're still in a negative, according to school. That means you still it's still -1, because remember, we took 3 trades. The first 2 trades was a negative, so that's -2. But the other trade was a positive, so that's positive 1. So that means that according to your school that you went to, right? That means that we still are in the -1, right? But in my world, I'm not negative. I can still make money even if I lost twice in a row and my next trade is a winner. So Sean, you can call it whatever you want, speculation, gambling. This is how I make money, because the odds is on my side and my winners are bigger than my losers. So call it what you want, Sean. And I show you guys all the time this in real time. So let's go back to the so PP, I buy the course and I can save it, watch it every day. Yes. So PP said, so if I buy the course, can I save it and I watch it every day? Yes, you can save it. You can download it. It's in your computer. So it's not a website that you go to. It's a file. So you download the file and it's on your computer. You can, if you travel, you can watch it, whatever you want to do. You can if you're on the road and if you have, you know, your laptop, you can watch the videos, whatever, or download it on your phone. So yes, you can watch it. And I'll give you guys the link again. Just give me a sec. I'm going through these comments. Real talk. Thanks a lot, Gauntlet. He said real talk. Tim, Brian, I enjoy learning from you, Big Ben. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Okay, so solid trade. Expose.org says solid trade. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Now MoX. Shout out to MoX. MoX basically super chat. He said you're the truth. Thanks a lot, MoX. Thanks for your support. MoX did a super chat. He said you're the truth. Thanks a lot, MoX. I'm going through these comments, so just give me a second. Okay, so Crypto Investing said you don't have to explain why you sell this course, Big Ben. People watch your video already know that holding is not the way to go. Yeah, no problem. It's, you know what it is, Crypto Investing. I'm not talking to, you know, people like you, because I know you understand it. It's some people that don't understand. Tell me one person that doesn't get paid for his time. I don't know. I don't know what person doesn't get paid for their time. You think this is easy? You think me coming on YouTube trying to convince people to learn a different way is easy? Anyway, Jordan said, I just bought your course. Thanks a lot, Jordan. I appreciate it. Ashley said, I missed the previous short. I don't want to miss the next one. Of course, Ashley. Make this money now. I'm going through the thing, so guys, just bear with me. I'm going through the comments. Expose says, ignore the haters. Yep, of course. So TM says, just bought the course. Thanks a lot, TM. Tahev, I believe I'm saying it right. Tahev M. He said, just bought the course. So thanks a lot for your support. I appreciate it. You don't understand. I appreciate it. I got your course yesterday. Thanks a lot, Massimo. G Slick said, soon I'll make a little profit and I'll buy your course, Big. No problem. No problem. So Gauntlet says, Big Ben, he said 6K is the bottom. Gauntlet, I don't think 6K is the bottom, but at the same time, I'm not really, I don't care what's the bottom. As long as the market continue to go down, I'm shorting this bad boy. Because we are below the moving average, the market's making lower lows, there's no reason to buy this thing. If you know how to read the chart, then you will understand. I'm not into trying to pick the bottoms and the tops. That's a tricky game. Go along with the trend, you'll be okay. Annette says, I'm in Canada. Does this change anything? What do you mean by that, Annette? You talking about if you buy the course? Okay, Expose says, I hit the like button twice. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Travis says, only 6 likes, buy the course. Then you'll like the thought of a new video from him. Thanks a lot, Travis. And this is from a person that bought the course already. Travis bought the course. Actually, I'm gonna put the link to the course again right now. So I'm gonna put the link right now in the chat room. If you're just stepping in, the original price is $210, and I just gave you guys a 50% discount only for the people on live, and the price will go back up. And if you want to learn how to make money now, then get this course, because I'm the only guy on the crypto market that's showing you how to make money now, not when the market just go up. So okay, so let's continue. Right, can I watch the course on the phone? Left lanes. Can I? Yes, you can. If you can download the it's MP. I think it's MP4 files. So yes, you could definitely watch it on your phone. Let's see, Crypto Van. Thanks for the course. Thanks a lot, Crypto Investing. Okay, so Eric said, I was putting a sell order just a minute ago before the BTC drop, but sell order was a buy order. Yeah, I understand, Eric. Was that real money or demo money, Eric? That's what I'm asking you. Oh, so that was real money. Oh, okay. Trust me, Eric. I made that mistake a lot of times too. When I first started off, I was like, man, I saw a setup and I put, I press sell instead of buy, or buy instead of sell, and I lost. But you have to realize that right away. You have to realize you're selling. But trust me, if you're not used to this, then I understand definitely why you took that loss. But trust me, Eric, I did that too. I did that plenty of times. Not just one time. I did it plenty of times. Um, Fine. I'm trying to pronounce this. Finna Finpa Fine says my favorite channel. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Okay, Travis, I lost 7,000 on Tron in 4 days. Let's look at Tron real quick. Oh my gosh. Come on, man. Come on, Travis. I don't know if you watch my videos, Travis, but I tell all my subscribers to take profits, especially in this bear market. Tron was going up. We found resistance right here. I've definitely been talking about this resistance line forever, right? Sellers came in, and next thing you know, ever since then, Tron has just been selling like crazy. And I teach and I tell people on my channel. I think they think I'm joking when I say I do this full time. All right, so let's go. Expose says preach. Thanks a lot, Expose. Let me see. Expose says use stop limits, folks. Yes, use stop limits. Definitely use stops. Garnet says making that money. Yep. Garnet says, haha, been hitting him with the realness. Okay. Oh, so MK said you can use the CMM group to use the demo account. I bought the course and I literally cleared 10K in the demo account since Sunday night. Get the course, study it, and keep grinding. That's a person that bought the course. He bought the course. He learned how to read the charts. He said he made 10K in a demo account. So this is people that's telling you. Okay, so Sean says yes, loud and clear. No problem, Sean. Um, if you are new to my channel, the things I talk about, it might sound foreign to you because your favorite YouTuber is not talking about the things I'm talking about. When I came on live stream and said that I was okay, if I took a loss right here, I was okay with that. Most people won't say that. And the reason why I can say that with confidence is because I understand that losing is part of the game. But as long as your winners is bigger than your losers, just like this example right here, you will always stay in the game. And you will always make money. If you are with the trend, you have to know what trend the market is in. The market is not in a bull trend. You basically is in a bear trend right now. So, all right, let's go up. Let's go to these comments. Romeo says, Big Ben, I appreciate your live streams, brother. I in the sea of red. It's nice to see a pro going to work. Thanks a lot, Romeo. PP says, thank you. No problem, PP. Thank you for tuning in. So, Uden said, do I invest in Bitcoin? I'm a noob. What do you mean invest in Bitcoin? Uden, you want to invest in Bitcoin? That's what you're saying? Okay, exposed. This is not an investor market now. Use Purge to learn how to trade. Yes, listen to exposed. This right now, this is this is definitely not a good time to be investing in the market. You probably want to just go learn how to make money when the market is going down. Because right now, the way I'm looking at this, it looks like all week. Where we at? What is today? Today is Tuesday, Wednesday. I think it's What did it say? Tuesday, right? Yeah, I think it's Tuesday. So we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I think the whole week is going to be a red week. So we might reach the lows by the end of this week. We'll see. Because, you know, we had this nice little sell-off today, and the market looks weak. Okay, so Jordan, which app do you open to open your course on my Mac? Okay, use WinRAR. WinRAR is for Windows and Mac. You go open it. Once you open it, you can view the files. You said computer memory. Do you have the best computer memory, etc., to be effective in crypto? What do you mean by that, Randy? The best software programs, computer memory. What do you mean by that? To be effective in crypto? You said I've been doing all my stuff on my mobile. Oh, so you want to upgrade to a laptop? Well, I don't know your budget. I don't know your budget. You can get a cheap laptop, or you can get a laptop that costs 1,000. You get that with i7, Intel Core i7. It depends on how much money you have. Colin says, 100% respect. Your info has your info has me I buy mode. I don't know what you're trying to say, but you said 100% respect at the end, so thanks a lot. Ashley, Tuesday. Yeah, so yeah, it's Tuesday. So I'm thinking the whole week we're gonna probably sell off. I'm thinking that. We'll see. So if we sell off the whole week, this low right here, which is the low that I've basically been talking about all the time, a lot of people have their stop below this low. So I think the market is going to go right below this low to take out a lot of these stops. So we'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Sean said, how low? My first stop, first of all, I'm just giving you my opinion. So I don't know how low. That's number one, So number two is, in my opinion, basically the first stop is 44, and then I believe we have a second stop and maybe a third stop. The second stop could be around 3,400 or either 3,000. Okay, he said budget is decent. Don't need the cheapest. You can get a regular laptop from Walmart. It doesn't matter because you don't need nothing. It's not like you're doing gaming or anything like that, or you're trying to live stream. All you need is, once you get as long as you have Wi-Fi, decent your computer is decent with the speed. You don't have to buy a crazy laptop. I mean, you get something for $500 or something like that, or you can get a refurbished laptop. It'd be a lot cheaper. But if you don't want to refurbish, if you want a brand new one, you get one for $500. I think that should be good enough. Ben, Law says, Ben, I want to buy your course, but having issues with PayPal. Will this stream tell me why you having issues with PayPal laws. What issue? Can you explain to me what issue are you having? Mike, downloading the course now. Let's see how good it is. Yes, you're gonna see. Thanks for your support, though, Mike. Appreciate it. So Ashley said, "What if you have a small account?" When I say small, I mean 20. But what you mean small account? What do you mean by that? What if you have a small account? Do you mean small account as in what? I don't know. What do you mean by that? You said, Colin, is Warren Buffett right? What do you mean? Right about what? Talk about XRP. Okay, laws. Can you tell me? You said someone tried to, and it's locked. So your PayPal is not working. So you tried PayPal and it's not working on laws. Anyway, guys, so okay, so so you can't use PayPal at all. Okay, so your PayPal account is locked. Okay. All right. So Laws, email me then. Can you pay in with crypto? So Laws, can you pay with crypto? Okay, so all right. I'm trying to see what's going on. So let's look at some charts real quick. Um Terrell said, Big Ben, you're the man. I just bought your course. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I can, but would rather pay with credit. Okay, so if you rather pay with credit, right now, how long you think your PayPal is gonna be locked up for? Okay, so let's look at XRP. Oh, matter of fact, Ethereum Classic, right? These guys, Coinbase dudes, talking about, you know, they're gonna list Ethereum Classic, right? And it shot up. So, but if you notice, this shot, you know, when the bulls came in, to me, it doesn't look strong because we went up, but we only closed halfway. So we'll see. We'll see if this could last because it might just go right back down with the whole market. So this is Ethereum. Ethereum went up a little bit off the news and then went right back down because the market is weak. Right? Let's look at XRP. Okay, the XRP. It looks like everything is pretty much you know, following the market, and most likely we're going right back to these lows right here. So let's go back to the chat room and see what everybody's talking about. And Terrell, thanks a lot again. I appreciate it. He said you just bought the course. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate all your guys' support. Massimo says he's downloading the course now. I appreciate it. You said, would it be safe to sell Bitcoin due to how fast it moves? Well, Bitcoin is not moving that fast. It's just lately it has been moving fast. But overall, remember, it been slow lately. Bitcoin been slow lately. But yeah, you can still, it doesn't matter how fast it moves. You can still short it. So Laws, I could rather, all right. So Laws, no idea. PayPal kind of sucks. I know. So Laws, so I will buy eventually. So Laws, your only option would be crypto. That's your only option. Because what you can do is buy more crypto. Let's say that you don't want to. Let's say that you don't want to sell your crypto right now. You just buy more crypto. I give you the instructions to what address to send it to, and that's it. And then I'll give you the cost. You can do it that way. So I don't know. It's up to you. Let me know. I'll send you my email address. I'll send you my email address right now. Because that PayPal thing could be forever, and you don't want to miss out. So I'm gonna give you my address right now, my email address. Here's my email address, and for the people that's basically just coming on, you definitely want to take advantage of this right here. Support the channel, take advantage of this, because this can help you put money in your pocket, because right now the market is going down. So this course right here is recession proof. It will help you make money when the market is going down. So I'm gonna put the link in below for the people that are just coming in, because I know a lot of people just joining in right now. (911) said, you have some great ideas. What kind of ideas you have, 911? I mean, you can email me. Okay, so Massimo says, how can how you want to open? Oh, says you have a Mac or a window, Massimo? I believe I'm saying your name right anyway, but you need a WinRAR to open it. And it's free. Just download it, and it's free. And once you download it, you can open it. Oh, you're using Windows 10? So yeah, go type in, get WinRAR. Are you familiar with WinRAR? You get that, it's free. You download it and you open it and all the files will be there. So how long we been on this stream? We've been on the stream for. If you're not, just email me then. Massimo, email me and I'll give you the link. I have the this is my email address. Email me. So guys, I'm pretty much probably gonna end this chat soon. But just to let you know that when it comes to, okay, Massimo, so I will try first, no problem. When it comes to a bear market, the markets are never obvious. They are designed to fool most people most of the time. So most people, right, as, including your favorite YouTuber, was talking about this triangle. We breaking up and we're gonna hit new highs. Yay! But I'm saying, hey man, don't believe the hype. We making lower lows. We below the moving average. This market looks like it's basically trying to go down. And then we have these 5 reasons that I talked about in my other live stream. And these, like I said, these are my 2 main reasons. And this right here, you have to understand, the market has to bleed these guys out. They have to bleed all the bad, scammy coins out. So in order to do that, we have to continue to go down. So for you guys that's new to my channel, new to the crypto world, let me say this to you. In order to make money with this consistently, you have to treat it like a business. Because what most people, what they did was, right, when they came in the crypto world, they fell in love with the idea. And trust me, I like the whole concept behind cryptocurrencies. I like that we don't have to depend on, the government, but it seems like the government is stepping in anyway. So, but I like the whole idea of the cryptocurrencies, right? But the moment you take your money out of your pocket and invest, that's when the whole game changed, right? That's when everything changed. It's a different game now that you're playing, right? You at first you was liking the idea. You said, "Oh man, I like crypto. It's a cool idea. I like the idea. I don't have to depend on my bank." But the moment you decide to say, "You know what? I'm going to invest in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum," the moment you put your money inside of these exchanges, that's when the game changed. Because now is a different, you are playing a different game now. You're not just a fan now, you are a investor. So when you invest, you have to treat it like a business, because now you're playing with money. Because the reason for investments, right? You have to understand the reason why you putting money inside these cryptos is so your money can grow. That's it. So when you're playing with money like that, you have to treat it like a business. And in order for any business to survive, that business owner has to know what he's doing. You think Mark Zuckerberg or Bill Gates doesn't know, about their industry, the ins and out, the ins and outs? I'm quite sure they know so much about the industry. It's mind blowing. So it amazes me that people that come in the crypto world don't really study, and they expect to become successful and consistent. Like, you have to understand, this is the business now. As soon as you put your money into the crypto, it's a different game you play now. So you guys have to treat this like a business, and you have to understand your business. You have to understand how your business work. Because if you don't understand how your business work, guess what? You can actually go out of business. So that's why when you come to my channel, a lot of new people, when they come to my channel, they are amazed, because it's like, hold on, this guy is saying this and these other guys are saying that. Like, who should I believe? At the end of the day, you can believe whoever you want to believe. But I'm the guy that's doing this full time. Your YouTuber, your favorite YouTuber, he's making money off of his YouTube channel, his views. I don't get millions of views or 20,000 or 100K views. So I make my money from the market. I do this full time. I have 10 years plus. So when I tell you guys, listen, you have to treat this like a business. It's no more games. When you take money out of your pocket and you put it into this market, this crypto market, it's a different game you're playing now. So you have to understand, stop playing games. Stop playing money. Stop playing games with your money. Treat it like a business. Learn about your business. Learn about your industry. Because if you don't learn about your industry, guess what? You're gonna go out of business. So yes, we all love crypto. We all love the concept. We all love the idea behind the whole cryptocurrency. Of course, we all fans of the crypto world. We love it. But you have to understand, that's separate from investing. As soon as you invest, then that's a different game right now. You're playing a different game. And this is what I'm basically trying to help a lot of new people that don't understand this game. This is why I'm on YouTube right now, trying to help you guys understand this game called investing. right? So once you can think differently, you have to understand the rich. The reason why they are successful is because they don't think like the rest. They don't think like most people. Most people that I know in the crypto world, all they know is buy and hold. That's all they know. So that tells me if you only know about buy and hold, that means that you don't know anything about your industry. You don't know anything about your business, right? And you're going to suffer when the market turns to a bear market. You're going to suffer. You know how many comments I see? Yo, man, I'm depressed. I lost faith in the market. I don't know what's going on. You know how many emails I get? Yo, Ben, my account right now is down 70%. What should I do? Right? Because these are the same people that love the idea of crypto, the cryptocurrency, right? The market. And they didn't understand that investing and liking an idea is two separate things. So you have to understand that once you invest, you're playing a different game, man. And you have to understand the game that you're playing. In order to win a game, you have to know and understand that game. It's impossible for you to win a game if you don't understand the game. So this is what I'm trying to do when I go on YouTube. So Law says email sent. Thanks a lot for sending the email. Send off said, man, you the man, Big Ben. Keep the good work up. Keep up the good work. Thanks a lot. Ashley, do you use indicators when you trade? No, strictly price action. I have 10 plus years of experience, and I realize that indicators they lag, so you don't really need them. Everything you need is on the chart. And once you get this course right here, if you're just joining me, this course is pretty much 50%. It's a 50% discount just only for the live people that's on the live stream, right? You want to take advantage of that. And once you take advantage of it, you will see that these patterns happen over and over and over and over. And this is why I'm able to, do this full time. So I don't need indicators. Okay, Ben, got PayPal to work with different email address. Just bought your course. Thanks a lot, Laws. I appreciate your support. Let me actually copy and paste this. I appreciate your support, Laws. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. You don't know, because you don't understand. It's very hard for me to come here and try to convince people that only know how to do things one way. That's very hard. It's almost like trying to convince someone that has an addiction. Try to convince them, like, hey man, don't do those drugs. It's a better way. And most people are stuck thinking one way, and most people are not open-minded. But like I said, the people that are open-minded, because it is a lot of people that are open-minded on my live stream. So we the people that's going to make the money. So right now BTC is going down, and guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated, because like I said, I think we're going to hit this bottom right here. I think the whole week is going to be a down week. And this is how most people get fooled, right? They go on here and they see one green bar and they say, oh, bulls is coming in. You can't, that's not how you read the market. And plus, a lot of people got fooled right here. This SEC meeting, they thought the bull market was gonna, come in here. Then they got fooled right here. They also got fooled right here. So you have to ask yourself, okay, fool me once, fool me twice. You know the rest. So basically, I'm on this live stream trying to change the way you think. Just because just imagine that you don't think like the rest, right? Because most people, they ask when's the bottom, when you think the market's going to turn bullish. Imagine you saying, yo, I don't care about that stuff. I'm going to trade along with the trend. Imagine you said that, right? Imagine that you saw my channel way before this down move, right? And you heard me preach about, hey man, guys, we are in a bear market. Be careful, right? And imagine you got my course and you learned how to short the market. You know how much money this is right here when the market's going down? And you know how much money this is right here? Imagine you taking these trades. Just because now you shift your thinking. And you say, you know what? I think Big Ben is onto something. I'm tired of losing money, so you know what? I think I'm going to go along with the trend. So guys, I think I'm about to end this soon. But I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated with this trade right here. Right now it's a 6-to-1 trade. Let's go to the 4-hour real quick. Reset. Here's a 6-to-1 trade right now. Yesterday was around 5-to-1. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Definitely keep you guys updated. Let's see what's going on in the chat. Mox, look out for my email. Just send it. Okay, no problem. I will. Expose. You can't service your cars without the tools. Yep. Why would you expect trading to be different? Trying to erase the whole hold. Of course. From your mind. Thanks a lot, Expose. Kelly, I saw Ben take out 3 bikers at once behind. Oh man, Denny's, you crazy. So Ashley, if I sell now, should I set a stop loss at the previous candle? I have a small account. Ashley, you have a small account. Shorting right now would probably not be the because right now I'm in the trade, so I'm basically making profits. But right now is probably not a good time to short. You probably want to wait for the market to pull back a little bit. And of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, so what's going on in the chat room? Okay, so pretty much, guys, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your support. The only thing I don't like, everyone is saying that the market will fall. The opposite. I'm thinking the market is due for a large trap and then dump. So you said only thing I don't like is everyone is saying the market will fall. I like to do the opposite. I'm thinking the market is due for a large trap, then dump. Yes, Moex. I think it's true. I think it's a possibility that the market will trap more traders. So basically, what I was saying before is if the market goes below this candle right here, because there's a lot of stops below this candle, it's a possibility the market could bounce back up. So that's the bounce that you're talking about. So we might get that bounce that you're talking about, trap more traders, and then we most likely might continue to go back down. Because the market is all about trapping you. right? Especially the bears, man. They love to do the opposite of whatever you're thinking. Okay, so let's go to the chat. Yep, Moex. Yep. Expose. Appreciate you brother. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. So PP just bought the course. Thanks a lot, PP. Thanks a lot for your support. Thanks a lot for your support. Moex says yes, they do. Yeah, they do, man. The bears love to trap you. The bears love to trap you. They love to, because they know that a lot of people trying to pick the bottoms. A lot of people think this is a triple bottom. So they're gonna trap a lot of people, I believe, in my opinion. Because I don't like to talk in absolute, so my opinion, I believe they will they will trap people. Okay, let's see. I have read a form. Bitcoin will rise 12 approximately. You said you read that in June, Bitcoin will rise to 12. Well, anybody that says Bitcoin will rise to 12,000 in June really don't know what they're talking about, because you can't predict a date in a month when Bitcoin is going to rise. Lucy, thanks, Ben. You are very sincere. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Lucy. Mike says just download it. Looks very educational. Thanks. Appreciate the support. Moex says you are the only one on YouTube that sees the market like I do. Shoot, I think you're the only person that sees the market like I do too. Oh man, this is funny. All right, guys. So it's 8:30. I'm about to get off this chat. I definitely appreciate it. I enjoyed, every minute of this live stream. I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated with this little trade right here. I think for the most part, today is Tuesday, so we have probably what five or four more days. So I'll keep you guys updated. I think this whole week is going to probably be a red week. Maybe a couple of green candles here, but most likely I think we're going to keep selling off. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. And for you guys that just join in, take advantage of this discount only on the live stream. The original price is $210, and right now it's at $110. And the reason why you want to get this course is because it's the only course on the market that's showing you how to make money now. Not tomorrow, not 3 years from now, but now. Because the market is in a bear market, and I'm showing you how to make money when the market is going down, and I show you how to make money when the market is going up. So I'm going to put that in the link. If you wanted to buy crypto, you can email me. I'm going to put my email address too. But guys, I appreciate your time. I do enjoy talking to you guys, because I think a lot of you guys starting to get what I'm trying to say now. And I said day by day, it's not gonna. I know the stuff that I'm saying. It's not. You're not going to get it right away. It's going to be day by day. I understand that. So this is my email address. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely check my email. Of course, I'm gonna check my email as soon as I get off. So guys, have a great day. Make sure that you get enough sleep, or if you don't get enough sleep, if you're gonna stay up all night, you might as well just study the charts, because that's what I did. In order to become successful, you have to study the charts and make this money. So guys, talk to you guys later. Thank everybody for, on the stream. I appreciate all the support today. And okay, Lynchy said, I believe I'm saying that right, said just got your course, Ben. Shout out to, okay, thank you. Australia, okay, thanks a lot. I appreciate the support. I definitely do. I will most definitely be purchasing the course. Thanks, Ben. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you for tuning in, Ashley. I appreciate it. Massimo says, thank you for your time and effort. Yes, I appreciate it. Gauntlet says, you guys won't be sorry. And this is a person that basically bought my course. Gauntlet says, you won't be sorry. So this is why I like to, have the people talk to the crowd, because it's better for them to tell you, the course, tell you about the course, instead of me trying to tell you about it. I'd rather people say, hey man, this course is good. And you see people saying, hey man, today I made money. So guys, thanks a lot. I appreciate all your guys' work. I mean, not work, but your attention. And thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. He said, looks like the market hitting 6K before it pops. So either way, we'll look. Yeah, probably in the next. Yeah, you're right. Probably the next 2 days, we probably see if we get to that 6K mark. Maybe by the end of the week. I'm thinking this whole week. The way it looks like this whole week is going to be a red week. That's what it feels like to me, in my opinion. This feels like a heavy red week. And, one of the signs is basically we had this big drop. The market tried to go up, right? And it created this little candle. And then next thing you know, the next day, boom. So to me, that just tells me this market is weak. So we'll see. Like I said, I would definitely keep you guys updated. Thanks a lot for your time. I enjoy, the stream. And guys, have a good night. And like I said, if you're going to stay up all night today, you just might as well just study the charts and just become addicted to this stuff. So guys, thank you for your time, and I'll talk to you guys later, and have a great day.